Hello everyone, this is Purushottam Vishwakarma and I welcome you to this new lecture regarding notice. What is a notice? A notice is written or printed announcement. It is written in order to inform a large number of people about something that has happened or going to happen. It could be an upcoming event, competition, lost and found notices, or just a piece of information to be delivered to the targeted audience. It is generally written in formal tone. It is a part of English writing skill for classes 6 to 12. So it is equally important for all the students from classes 6 to 12. Now the next question is how to score 100% marks. In this video, I am going to tell you what are the do's and don'ts. If you follow, you can get 100% marks. So let's begin. First of all, the format for notice writing. What is the format? The most important for notice is the format. First of all, you have to make a box, and do remember, make the box with the help of a pencil. In the box, the first of all you have to write name of the institution or issuing authority. Next, you have to mention in block letter notice. As you can see here, notice. Just below the name of the institution or issuing authority, you have to write notice. And mind it, it must be written like this in capital letters, in block letters. Then leave a line here. Leave a line just below it at the place date. But you need not mention date. Only you have to write like that as if it is 16th May today. 16th May 2020. Otherwise, another format May 16, comma 2020, and you have to write this at the place of date here. You have to write here. What you have to write? 16 May 2020. Otherwise May 16, comma 2020. These two formats of writing date you have to follow. Just below it, leave a line. Then there will be title of your notice. The title could be found from the question itself, and it must not exceed 3 to 4 words. So try to write your title in 3 to 4 words only. Just below title, you will have to start writing your notice. How? This is to inform. All the students are informed. All the residents of this society are informed. So such lines you can mention. You can start with such words. In this, you will mention in body, you have to mention date, time, duration, place, venue, when and where. Especially, you have to mention when and where is the organization of that event. So, you have to mention here every important information. Next and last, you have to write authorized signatory, name and signature, and if required, contact details, for example, mobile number. And all these things must be written in a box in a box only. As you can see, I have made a box. And how will you make a box? With the help of a pencil. Notice writing topics. Notice can be of different topics. As we have talked earlier, it can be anything for lost and found, for any competition. So I have mentioned here some. A notice can be written for various reasons. A competition, related to a competition, an excursion trip, a lost and found notice, an inauguration to take place. Suppose you have a shop, you have a new building, and you are going to inaugurate that building. So draft a notice for that inauguration purpose. An exhibition, there is an exhibition like book fair, science exhibition like that. A blood donation camp, or any such type of event or information to be issued in public interest. So any event that is going to happen can be informed with the help of a notice. According to CBSC, notice is of 4 marks, and for that 4 mark it is divided into 3 parts. The first thing, format. If you follow the format as I have told you, you will get 1 mark. If you do not follow the same format, you lose this 1 mark. Content. What is the content you have used? Is it appropriate or not? You will get 2 marks. And then your expression, 1 mark. In all, 4 marks. So you have to follow all these things in your notice. Now, before writing, there are some tips. As I told you in this video, I'll tell you how to score 100% marks, that is 4 out of 4. So, what to do, what not? The first thing, do not cross the word limit 50 words. It is clearly mentioned in the question itself. Write a notice, draft a notice in not more than 50 words. So never try to cross the limit of 50 words. Do not repeat any information. You know very well, if you repeat, that will be excess. Always enclose the notice in a box made with a pencil. I told you, you have to make the box with the help of a pencil, and try to make the box in a rectangular way. Keep it short, crisp, and to the point. It must be brief and to the point. The title should be eye catching. You have to choose a title that is eye catching, catching. Make use of what is given in the question. And where will you get the title? From the question itself. Do not mention your personal information. You need not mention your personal information like your personal name. Use the information given in the question. Follow the rules of 5 W's. What are the 5 W's? Who is writing the notice? Whom, for whom this notice is given, is going to be printed. What is there in the notice? What is the matter of the notice? When? What is the time for that event? And where? What is the venue? So you have to keep all these 5 W's in your notice. You have to keep in mind, you have to mention these 5 W's in your notice. I hope you understood all these things I told you. First of all, you have to make a box, rectangular box, in which the very first thing you will mention at this place, name of the institution, then just below it in block letter, notice, here date, leaving a line, then title, and just below it there will be your body of notice with all the information needed, keeping in mind 5 W's: who, whom, what, when, and where. And then at the end, here at this place in the box itself, if I have this box, so at this place, signature along with your designation. Suppose you are the librarian, you are the secretary, you are the principal, with your name. Now I have some questions, three questions we are going to cover in this video. First question: water supply will be suspended for 8 hours, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. on 16th of May for cleaning of the water tank. Write a notice in about 50 words advising the residents to store water for a day. You are Karan or Karuna, Secretary, Janta Group Housing Society, Palam, Bihar, Kurnool. So this is from CBSC question paper. And how will you write this notice? Let's see. A sample I have. First of all, the name of the institution or authority. Janata Group Housing Society. You can write in block letters as well. Otherwise, like that I have written, you are free to write. Janata Group Housing Society, Palam, Bihar, Kurnool. Then in block, notice, just below it, leaving a line, date. Mind it. The question, what is given in the question? 16th May. Water supply will be suspended on 16th May. So you have to inform the members prior to the date. So you have to mention such a date that is prior to exact event. It was 16th. I have written May 15. In the same way you have to mention. Then a catchy title, attention. This notice is to inform all the residents regarding the suspension of water supply for 8 hours. All these things are given in the question. You have to simply grab out what is important for you. I told you the very first line you have to mention like that. This is to inform all the residents. All the residents of this society are informed. So in this way you will mention it is being done to clean the water tank. The details are as follows. What are the details? Date and time. May 16, time 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Thus, we request you to store the required amount of water beforehand to minimize the difficulty. Who you are in the question, it is mentioned Karan or Karuna. If you are a boy, then Karan. If you are a girl, then Karuna. Your signature will be here at this place. And who are you? Secretary. So this is the first sample. Come to the next one. The second question: the International Book Fair is being held at Pragati Maidan between 7th January to 14th January 2020. As a librarian, write a notice informing the students about it. Now, in this question, you have to be very careful. Why? First of all, what is the date of event? 7 January to 14th January. You have to inform the students prior to event at least 4 5 days before. So you have to write that notice before this date, that is 7th January to 14th January 2020. Usually we write notice on the date we are writing. I would like to remind you, suppose you are writing a notice on 16th May, then you will mention the date 16th May. But if the date is already mentioned in your question, date of event, then you have to mention a date prior to that given date. So let's see. First of all, because the name of the school is not given, you can simply write ABC Public School, XYZ Public School, otherwise any imaginary name of the school. Then notice, it's as usual what I have written. If you remember, if I show you the date of event 7th January to 14th January, and because I am going to inform the students, I'll write the notice prior to 7, before 7th January. So 4 5 days earlier, January 2nd 2020. What is this about? The title International Book Fair. It is from your question. Then all the students are informed that the International Book Fair is being held as per details given below. As I have written, venue, where? Pragati Maidan. Dates 7 to 14 January. Mind it, here you need not repeat January as it is repeated in the question. 7 to 14 January, not 7 January to 14 January. Avoid repetition. Timings 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. You are requested to visit the fair and give your suggestions of some books do be added to the library. So this is another sample for International Book Fair. Who you are? Sanjay Verma, librarian. Now the last question. You are Ruhi or Rahul, head girl or head boy of ABC Convent School, as it is written in the question, ABC Convent School. Your school is going to organize an inter-school singing competition. Write a notice for your school notice board inviting names of all the interested students. So let's see the answer. You have to write in the same way. ABC Convent School as the name given in your question. Then notice. Same pattern will be followed in each and every notice. First of all, name of the institution, then notice, just below it at the left margin, date May 16. Mind it, in this question it is not mentioned what is the date of event, so you have to use any imaginary date. As I have written, I am writing the notice on 16th May. So I have to mention the date of event some 10 days after 16th May, so that the student may get information and enroll their names. So ABC Convent School notice May 16, inter school singing competition. What is this about? This is about inter school singing competition. Our school is organizing an inter school singing competition on May 30, 2020, Saturday at 12 p.m. in the school auditorium. More than 20 schools from all over the city will participate. Interested students may contact the undersigned latest by May 25. Then, at the end, you will mention the name of the issuer, who you are, Ruhi or Rahul if you are a boy, then Rahul. If you are a girl, then Ruhi, head boy or head girl.